2017 F-150 XLT Crew 4x4. EcoBoost under the hood. You can see the FX4 package. Reverse sensing, backup camera, tailgate step, box liner, remote entry, power front seats, dual panel moonroof, just over 80,000 clicks, navigation, integrated trailer brake controller. Very nice truck that you're going to find at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, and we're at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.